Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yev. Today I have very short video. I know that on our channel we have a lot of fans of KLUDGE M75, and recently I found new version. It seems it's updated version of the RK M75 on Amazon. See, so I purchased my first M75 6 months ago, and this was this version with brown mechanical switches and ABS single shot keycaps, right? But now I can see that on the market we have another version with pale green switches and a green keycaps in general, and also the double shot PBT, and switches are very well pre-looped. So today I want just to show you the difference between these two versions of the keyboard. Maybe it will be important for you and you want this more new version to have it with you. So let's quickly check what we have inside the box, and I'm 100% sure that it's everything the same, so we will do this super quick. So you have the keyboard, and this keyboard is really a little bit different, and I will show you because I have my original M75 and this new 75, so I will be able to show you all difference. But in general, in the box you have 4 additional switches, simple cable, simple switches and keycap puller, and user manual, obviously. So what's the difference, right? I already prepared my switches and keycaps. Just check this out. So on this side, let me put it this way. On this side you have original version with brown mechanical tactile switches, and they were not pre-looped whatsoever, and they were 3 pins. Also, this is keycaps from this original version, and you may see that this is ABS, not double shot and all of that. It was good, but simple. Now we have this new version, and you can see, you should see it, that they're heavily pre-looped, which is great. Also, there are 5 pins, which means they're more stable, and keycaps, double shot, PBT, all this stuff, they're really cool on the feeling and how they look like. So it's kind of interesting upgrade. So I have both these keyboards on a table. I disassembled both of them to be able to show you the difference, and one really important difference what I have found is that original version, this one, it's a north facing LED, you see it? But this new version, I don't know if it's intentionally or just coincidentally, it's a south facing RGB. So it's a huge difference, right? It's a 2 different keyboards. Obviously not just totally different, but a little bit different. Let me switch on both of them. So you see the RGB in general are the same.
When the world turns ugly,
Bright and colorful, so no difference on this side. Knob is the same LED screen, the same structure. This is gasket mounted structure, so you have these gaskets, and you have these materials, several layers, silicone underneath. In new versions, so it's all the same as previous version, but you see that small difference, that this is cutted for the PCB, and this is just, you know, flat. Same silicone, same cases. It's a slight difference in this chip. I checked the marker on this chip, and it's a little bit different, but I do not understand anyway. And I was not able to Google this code, so I don't know is it make any difference at all or not, but it seems that this one is just more fresh version of the PCB. Okay, let's do a quick sound test. Sound is good, even without any modification, just from the box. So if you're looking to the M75 and you have access to Amazon and it's available in your region, it's all the same. You have this 2.4 dongle, you have this USB-C hub on the back side, and you have this legs. So it's absolutely the same keyboard, the same M75, but with new keycaps, with new switches, and with south-facing RGB, and maybe a little bit fresher PCB components. From all other sides, it's our loved old M75. Thank you for watching. See you next time.